everyone, this is Tracy for Diva on a Budget. Today is a Myers and Dollar Tree. So I decided to go to Dollar Tree to get my Olay. I got 14 of the Olay, total to $14.84. I used $14 off dollar coupons. My Dollar Tree does not limit how much soap coupons or coupons that I'm limited to. They're okay with that. So out of pocket, I paid 84 cents. So I decided to go to Myers to get the Dove soap. Here's the breakdown. In today's ad, if you have a Myers, there's a $2 in ad coupon off of the Dove 6-pack. The 6-pack is $7.06. If I gotta remember, I can't find my receipt. So also we had $4 coupon that came in last week. Red Plum 2 weeks ago. Red Plum, Smart Source, I can't remember, for $4. So I got these 2 packs. Also, I forgot that I had clipped a $3.75 in-perk coupon off of it. So it took $3.75, and she took off $2 for each of the in-air coupons, $4 off of soap, and when she started to scan the other one, she marked it down to $1, so I paid 16 cents for 2 6-packs of soap. 12 cents. I was excited. 12 cents. I forgot that I had clipped that $3.75. I forgot I printed it. I guess the next time I need to print out what I use on in-perk. So 16 cents for 2 6-packs of soap for men, right? Yay! So this is Tracy for Diva on a Budget. Bye. See you on the next one.